Wallpaper versus paintwork, which one is better? Dear friends, the walls of your home have the advantage of changing and transforming your space with the help of paint or wallpaper. A dramatic room can instantly be made soft and airy with the application of light pale paint color, while a room that feels too big can instantly feel cozy with darker wallpaper with a striking pattern. There are pros and cons of using paint or wallpaper. Factors to consider are ease of application, cost, and versatility to your space. Whichever you choose, your walls will benefit from the addition of paint or wallpaper. Let's consider some factors and see where these both settle in accordingly. Preparation: in case it's a fresh wall, then wallpapers tend to act as a quick way to have your work done while paint takes much longer to perform. Wallpaper can be put in within a few hours in comparison to a paint job that can take days and weeks. However, removing existing wallpaper can be a tedious task that requires patience and the right tools to be effective. Stripping wallpaper can be done with chemicals or stripping tools, but care must be taken or damage can result to the wall. If you are painting over a damaged wall, prepare imperfections with spackle and let dry 24 hours in advance. Applying primer paint in advance to painting over darker color paint will make your painting preparation easier. Painting requires considerably less preparation time than wallpaper. Selection and durability: both offer great varieties, but wallpaper seems to have fewer maintenance issues in the long run while paint manages to be a reinvested cost. However, depending on the finish, paint is a good option for areas that need to have an inexpensive and easy application, and wallpapers will hold up to wear and tear of children, high traffic areas, and many varieties are scrubbable. Expense comparison: wallpaper and paint can range in price from the low end to the high end of the cost spectrum. Wallpaper on average is more expensive to purchase the rolls and supplies and to have installed. Paint on average is cheaper and requires very few supplies, and an amateur can apply it. The wonderful world of wall finishes is vast and customizable. Whether you choose wallpaper or paint, either one will give your home subtle or bold color and character. For the appeal of both, try paintable wallpaper or stick with paint or wallpaper. The option is yours, and that's why home decorating is so exciting. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.